Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to use the sum function inside of Microsoft Excel. The sum function is one of the most basic formulas inside of Excel, but also one of the most helpful and often used. I use Excel to create monthly budget sheets for myself, for instance, keeping track of my income and debts, and it's become one of the most beneficial things for me. To get started, open a new Excel file. Just to have some numbers to work with, I'll create a few columns here and enter some data. We see here in the first column is our income. We have two sources of income, so I'll enter that data. Then we'll create a few more columns like bills, credit cards, and student loans. Then we'll just quickly enter some numbers here. This will be where you go through all of your debts and organize them. So now we have our data. I usually leave a space and then I start my sum functions. Type in equal sum open parentheses and then select the first income. Press the plus sign and then select the second income. Press enter. That will then perform the function, adding the sums of the two cells that we've selected. Next, select a cell at the bottom of the bills column, type equal sum open parentheses, and then for this one, we want everything in that column. So select the top bill cell and drag down to the bottom like this, and then press enter. This will then add everything in the selection that we just made. You can go ahead and do this for the next two columns. Now that we have our cells added up using the sum function, I'll drop down a couple more cells and type total income. In the cell next to that, type equal sum open parentheses and then select just the income total cell and press enter. Now, if we ever add or change our income in the original cells, this field will also take effect. In the next row, type total debt. In the next cell, type equal sum open parentheses and then click and drag across your total debts, same as we did on the individual bill data cells. Press enter and that will add those up. Finally, I'll skip a row and type balance, and in the cell next to that, type equal sum open parentheses, select the total income cell, and then press the minus button, and finally your total debt, then press enter. This will then give you your balance, income minus debt. This spreadsheet, like I said, is incredibly important, I feel, for everyone. I use it every month myself to keep my things in check and adjust as my situations change, and I hope it helps you guys out too. And it's that simple to use the sum function inside of Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.